Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Propolis extract only way. Start by performing a patch test on your inner forearm and wait 24 hours for reactions. Use a clean dropper to measure small doses, dilute with carrier oil for topical use, and avoid mucous membranes. For oral use, follow manufacturer dosing and consult a professional if pregnant or on medication. I'll guide you through simple, safe steps to get benefits without surprises. Clean the skin area with mild soap and water and pat dry before applying Propolis extract. Dilute 1 part extract with 3 parts carrier oil for sensitive skin, or use straight on small, healed areas if tolerated. Apply a thin layer once or twice daily and monitor for irritation. Store the bottle in a cool, dark place to preserve potency and replace if scent changes or particles appear over time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: go darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability during daily routines. On another note, while we protect our health with Propolis extract, your feet deserve reliable socks too. Check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For oral use, take Propolis extract diluted in water or honey as directed on label and start with a small dose to assess tolerance. Typical drops range widely. Follow manufacturer guidance and consider working with a healthcare provider when combining with medications. Avoid if you have bee allergies and stop use if throat or breathing problems occur. Keep records of doses and effects to refine your routine safely over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.